Hey everyone, today we are going to be working with commission and sales tax. And the good thing about this is you find commission and sales tax both the same way. First thing you do is you find what the rate is. Okay? The rate is going to tell you how much you multiply. So what you do is this: the percent used to find the tax or the commission. Okay, using multiplication. Okay, using multiplication. That's where you're going to find the rate. It's going to be in a percentage. Now, if you want to find the commission of something, the commission, the first thing that is going to equal the price times the rate. And that's going to be in percentage form. Okay, that's going to be in percentage form. So you're going to multiply the two together. Tax is also price times the rate. In percent form. Okay, so you're going to use both. You're going to find the same thing. Okay, commission and tax. One goes to the person selling. This right here, the commission goes to the person who is doing the employee. And this is paid by the buyer. Okay, that's you. All right. So if we're going to do, let's go to example 1. Example 1. Say we go to Best Buy. And there's a, get that rid of that, Best Buy. And there is a 65-inch plasma TV. All right. Now we looked that up in the on the computer, and that goes for $4,000. Okay, not a bad buy. $4,000. Okay. When you go up to the cashier, you are not going to pay $4,000. You're going to pay a sales tax. Now our sales tax is 7.75%, but let's round it up to 8% because the governor wants to add a little bit of tax percentage. So we're going to go with 8%. To find out what you're going to pay at the cash register, 4,000 times 0.08 when you multiply that, you're going to get 0, 0, 0, 32. Decimal comes over 2 places. $320 on sales tax. So you thought, oh man, I just come up with $4,000. Wrong. It's 4,000 plus 320 for a grand total of $4,320. That's what you're going to pay to buy that plasma TV. Now let's say the commission for the person who sold it to you is 10%. Now what that means is the guy who sells it to you earns 10% for the total price that he sells it to you for $4,000. So you come over here. Now he doesn't get paid on sales tax. That goes straight to the government. The government times, take 10%, make it into a decimal, 0.1, and he earns, decimal comes over 1, so he gets $400 commission. Notice I multiplied 4,000 times 8%. I also multiplied 4,000 times 10%. One is tax and one is commission. All right. Let's go to example 2. Let's say a real estate agent sells a house for $450,000. $450,000. Now we have a house for sale right over here up against our tennis courts for $450,000. Now what happens is the commission for a real estate agent is usually about 3% for each real estate agent. So total 6%, but each real estate agent gets 3%. Now, if I have a commission of 3% and I sell a house for $450,000, okay? How much did the realtor earn? How much did the realtor earn? Well, you take your sales price, $450,000. Okay. Times that by the commission rate, times 0.03. Now don't forget 0.03. Don't put 0.3, because remember you have to move your decimal 2 places. Always 2 places. 15, carry the 1. That's 1213. 2 decimal places. So the realtor, for selling one single house, earned $13,500. Not bad for a day's work, but to be a realtor, you don't just do it one day. You do it you have to sometimes takes like weeks or months to sell a single house. But when you do sell a house, you earn about $13,500. That's not bad. All right, guys, let's do a couple examples.
Woohoo! I'm a college man. I won't need my high school diploma anymore. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.